Just had a bird fly into the window. I'm speaking quiet because we just brought him in. He flew into that window off the bird feeder. And we brought him in, which is probably not the right thing to do, but it's so cold out there he probably wouldn't survive. And we have a lot of cats, so I've nested him in the nest box, in a dish actually, it just kept him comfortable because he was on his back and breathing heavy and struggling. He's still struggling a bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a box and put him inside this and just put him outside. Just cut this camera box, it is actually, but any box will do, and just give him a soft place to land with some tissue, soft place to work, and then I'm going to put him out on the table so that when he recovers he's not flying around here banging the windows again. So not perfect, but he might just survive. He's not well because he'd be fluttering if he was well. He'd be panicking a bit. Yeah, he's not well. So, and he'd be in shock at the moment. So my son give me a hand. Anyway, I'm going to pick him up now, so I'm off camera a bit. Okay, we've done probably more than we should have done because we're not nature, you know, we didn't make it. Whatever you believe, if God made it, then it's in God's hands. If nature made it, then it's in nature's hands. There's nothing we can do. You see death rounds all the time, but we've put him in a box, or her, in a box. I'll have to get the wife to identify it. And made it comfortable. What I'm going to do now is take some fat ball because it's winter. Not only that, if the bird recovers, got to think about the environment it's got to spend the night in. I've given him somewhere to go now. I can't keep him indoors. That wouldn't do him any good. We'd all love pets as birds, but they're not. So we'll take some fat ball and we'll just cut that up. Just take a piece off that. He isn't going to need a lot, to be honest with you. But he isn't going to be working hard. I'm saying he. The bird isn't going to be working hard. But nothing big, so I'm just going to smash it up into bird-sized, bite-sized pieces. I don't know what it is. We haven't a natural tendency to kill, have we? It's something we develop if we're that way inclined, or we're hurt into doing. But I can't show you down below, but I'm removing all the big stuff because it's A&E and he's going to get hungry if he recovers. So let's give that a go. I'll just, as I say, it's only some small tokens to help him through the next hour or two because it looks like a bird. When I got him, I was watching my bird life and he flew into the window as I was watching, which is a disaster for a bird lover, isn't it? And I went down, I thought, oh, he's gone. But he wasn't. He was lying on his back, breathing. And you're all going to comment here, you say, no, it's female. Well, it was lying on its back and its tail was waggling. I thought, we'll have a go. We'll have a go. There's nothing you can do. That's nature. So let's have a go. But we can do our best. So anyway, round that up. I'm just going to stick that in the box somewhere we're going to have them. Bear with me. Well, that was a genius. The little candle holders, they're perfect. I'll just pop that in. Okay, I don't know how to rescue a bird that's flown into glass. I've just found out in the past hour, as much as I can, especially YouTube, what you do. Well, the people that are doing on YouTube videos on such a thing say don't handle them. Well, I'd already done that before I went. I brought him in because there are cats around here, so I thought he's got a better survival chance if he comes in. I keep saying it has got a better survival chance of bringing it in. So I brought it in. I've used a cardboard box, quickly filled it with something soft so he could at least rest his feet, and I've put some fat ball in and I put some water just outside, and I don't know what else to do, so that's what we do. And now we'll let nature take its course. I have put a camera on the entrance of the box so I can monitor it as we go, so let's see what happens. Well, we've done all we can do. It's certainly a partial success. She flew up the garden, this is she, I believe, the wife's telling me, and was dancing around the pool, so we don't know what damage has been done, but she's on her way. You know, that was, just for the record, around about 3.5 hours recovery time from actually hitting the window to being able to fly away again. So it's in nature's hands now. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Pete at Janette and Pete's Tweets. Please don't forget to subscribe.